In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how you can start dropshipping on eBay from Amazon. Now I have used Amazon in the past, but I didn't like it because of the profit margin is very low compared to Walmart and AliExpress. Like the profit margin can be sometimes 10%. That's why I stopped using Amazon. But I can show you guys how you can use Amazon. That's what I do, guys, to get a lot of sales. But the profit margin, like I said, is 10%. So I don't really find it I don't find it good for me. So probably you are it will be enough for you to get 10% profit on the product. Like for me, I would like 50, because I use AliExpress most of the time. Like AliExpress is a very if you don't know, guys, how to dropship using AliExpress, I will leave a link in the description of this video to use AliExpress if you want to get like 50% profit when you are selling on eBay. But if you want to use Amazon, it's very easy to dropship using Amazon. Very easy. Just search for any product. It could be headphones, it could be gaming desks, or you can find any product on Amazon. Okay, like on any product, just click any product, and the reason I tell you this is to find the competitors. Okay, we want to find competitors that are dropshippers. Okay, we want to find people that dropship on eBay that use Amazon. Okay, now copy the title of the Amazon seller and go to eBay and search for it. Now after that, you will find here a lot of people that are using Amazon. And as you can see, even if it's not the same product, just click on the product and check what this seller is selling, because that's the most important thing, is to find sellers that are using Amazon to dropship, and we want to find the most successful listings in their store so that we can copy it. Click on the username and then scroll down. So after you scroll down, you want to click on see all. Okay, and then you want to click on sold items in the left. And then you can find here the items. Okay, now for example, I'm going to select this item. Okay, I'm going to search for it. As you can see, it has ended. Also, it doesn't have 3 sales. Now I'm going to find another product. Okay, this one doesn't really sell from Amazon. As you can see, the pictures are not from Amazon. So I'm going to go with another product. Okay, I'm just going to search for gaming headset. Okay, now I'm going to go with the first product, and I'm going to search for this product on eBay. Okay, because we want to find if this product is proven to work on eBay. We know that on Amazon it has like 90,000 ratings. It's proven to work on Amazon, but we don't care. We want to find something that is proven to work on eBay. Now as you can see, this is the first. It's the same product. As you can see, click on the item, and here you can see it has like one item was sold. Like if you are just starting and you want to start dropshipping, you don't know how to do that, I would highly suggest, recommend listing the item even if it has one sale. Yes, I always go with 3 sales in the last month, but if you are just starting, just go with 1 sale so that you can get some sales. You can start buying from Amazon, sending the items to your customers on eBay. It's not going to be a quick process from you, but if you but if you start with listings that has 3 sales and you list the exact listing, if you list only 10, you will start to get a lot of sales and you won't know what to do. If you are a beginner, of course, but if you are experienced, this is not going to be hard for you at all. Now for me, I go with 3 sales. Now as you can see, it has 1 sold. As you can see, 1 sold. But if you, like I said, you can list this item and you can also get a sale. Like what I do, I just download pictures from Amazon and I take the title of eBay seller. Like be careful with this, because this is very important. Like whenever you see a successful listing on eBay and it's proven to work, people are getting sales, always go with the title of eBay seller and start listing. Copy the title of eBay seller, and other things you can take them from Amazon, like the description. You can just go to Amazon and you can find here the description and you can copy it, change something in it, or don't even change anything, just paste it on your eBay listing and start listing, and then increase the price. As you can see, the price of this item is like $25, and this guy is selling it for $42, which is not a very good profit margin if you compare it to AliExpress. Now, but he's charging the shipping for, like, he's charging $28 on shipping, which is good. Like, he makes profit when someone pays for the shipping on his eBay. Now, like I said, guys, this is how you can find products. Always find something that has 3 sales. And let me do that right now. I'm going to search for something that has 3 sales. I'm going to click the second one. Is one, for example. Okay, this one doesn't have any sale. Okay, I'm going to go to the first one that has 1 sale, but I'm going to check his account. I'm going to see what he is selling. So I'm going to click on the username, and then I'm going to scroll down and click on see all, and then scroll down again and click on sold items. Now we want to find what this guy is selling. Click the first item, and as you can see, this one has been sold 2 times. Now that's good, like that's not bad at all. Now search for this product, and this is the product. It's yeah, it's the same, I believe, but it's not the exact. Yeah, this is the one that looks the exact same one. Like, as you can see, it's selling. Yeah, this is the product. It's selling for $79, and he is selling it for $99. The profit is like $10, but he is charging for the shipping, as you can see. Now what you need to do, guys, you want to copy the title of this eBay seller, click sale. So this is not the account that I'm using right now. I use another account. Click sale, and then download the pictures from Amazon, this description, everything from Amazon, specifications, these things, color, stuff like that. And the only thing you copy from eBay seller is the title, because it's proven to work on eBay. So we don't care if it's proven to work on on Amazon. Now, if you have any questions, guys, about this, just let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. If you want to start using AliExpress as a supplier, I would suggest that, because AliExpress has a good profit margin. So just click the video on the screen and leave a like on this video and learn exactly how you can dropship from AliExpress to eBay, which is what I do, guys, most of the time. See you guys in the next video.